It's the first time I've collaborated like this, and I think it's great to hear and brainstorm and gather ideas from different cultures and different backgrounds.
I think working with local people is a good way that we can bring the aesthetic, the essence from the places to the world.
So when you're living in the culture and breathing it and working with locals and people who understand what you're trying to explain and the inspiration behind it, I think it comes out as the real deal.
I really enjoy collaborating with other creatives and designers, and I think it's a very essential way for me to grow and for all of us to grow.
It's also a way of telling stories of these countries, and the designers reflecting that by being from the countries where we produce is a way of showing that IKEA is from the world, for the world.